we are demonstrating how to assemble Kiko Multi-Way Stroller. Make sure you have all the parts shown here in the box and the user manual for easy reference. No additional tools are required for the assembly. To open the stroller, release the stroller lock on the left side and push the front part of the stroller forward. Push the rear locking pedal downwards to fully open the stroller. Multi-Way stroller comes with umbrella fold, ensuring that the stroller is lightweight and compact. A compact stroller makes it easy to guide, carry along and store when not in use. Next, attach the front wheels by aligning the wheels with the front wheel rods and push up until you hear a click sound. Ensure that the wheels are properly lashed. Front wheels also feature 360-degree rotation for effortless turning and maneuvering of the stroller. The wheel's rotation can be locked simply by pushing the lever on front wheel down. To bring it back to rotation mode, just push the lever upward. Kiko Multi-Way Stroller has sturdy wheels with suspension to protect your baby from bumpy roads that you may encounter during your travel together. To mount rear wheel set, align slots on rear wheels with stroller frame and push it up till wheels click in their slots. For baby's safety and parents' convenience, Kiko Multi-Way Stroller is equipped with rear wheel linked brakes. To lock stroller in place, just push down on the brake lever on either of the rear wheels. Unlock the wheels by pushing up the lever on either of the rear wheels. To attach the bumper bar, align bumper bar with 2 pins located at the ends of the armrests and push in until you hear it get into its slots. The removable bumper bar is not only an important safety feature, it is adequately padded so that baby feels comfortable while holding it or resting legs over it. Multi-Way stroller comes equipped with comfortably padded wide seat to accommodate any extra layer of clothing and wraps of the baby. It comes equipped with comfortably padded seat covers and fully reclining backrest. Adjustable leg rest gives baby a comfortable space whenever they want to catch a nap during strolls. Fleece foot muff that comes along with the stroller is ideal for extra protection during colder days and can be easily attached to the stroller. Stroller comes with 5-point safety harness system for baby's protection while remaining very convenient to use for parents. Next, to attach the canopy, fasten the clips at designated spots and use Velcro straps to affix it in the specific positions. Attach rear panel of the canopy by fastening the zip and Velcro straps on the sides. Canopy is an important part of strollers. Multi-Way strollers canopy comes with UV 50+ protection to protect the baby from sun and wind during outdoor trips. Practical peekaboo window lets you always keep an eye on the baby. Combined with an additional rain cover accessory, parents will have complete peace of mind while stepping out of home. Conveniently placed large basket lets you carry essentials like nappy change, baby towel, etc. while traveling. Before folding the stroller, check that the carry-all basket is empty and canopy is fully pulled back. To fold the stroller, pull the center pedal upwards with your toe. Press down the pedal on the right with your feet and push stroller handle forward till the lock clicks into place. Multi-Way stroller comes with a padded carry handle for the ease of carrying during travels. This compact and sturdy stroller gives you the freedom to travel anytime and anywhere with your baby. Refer to your Kiko Multi-Way Stroller's owner's manual for additional warnings and use instructions before using this product.